It's going to be a pool boat day, RC drivers. I got my hands on the Rage RC 400BL Lightwave. This looks like an exciting boat for pools. It's got LED lights in it. It's brushless powered. It comes with a LiPo battery pack. Looks like it's got to be a lot of fun on the water. So I actually saw this at the NERSA trade show, and it looked really cool. If you missed that video, I'll have a link for it up above. But I saw them out running on the pond, and it just looked like a blast. But what really caught my eye was the LED lights on the side, and you can control what color you want it to be. So first up, let's see what comes inside the box. You get your instruction manual here, and of course the boat itself. I should probably pull out the stand first, so I've got some wires and stuff, but check this thing out. This thing looks really cool for a small boat. Nice V-hull design. I'm going to show you the lights and stuff, but let's just see what else comes in the box. So in this little baggie here, it looks like it's got a nose protector, so it's going to be perfect for the pools. Spare prop, that's always good to see. Wrench and a couple other tools in there. Comes with the charger because it's got a LiPo battery in it. So there's the charger, just one of your balance style chargers. That's the cord for it. And then of course the radio. So let me pop this out. This is the only thing you're going to need batteries for. You're going to need 4 AA batteries for this. It's got a foam grip on it, and then it's a 2.4 gigahertz radio system. So let's take a look at the hull first. It's a molded ABS, and they screw the deck to the top. You can see the screw holes in the bottom. I don't think that's going to affect the ride of it too much, but nice sharp lines on the bottom. Looks like you've got a water pickup over here for the water cooling, and then all the graphics are printed. Now the hull is kind of transparent, and that's got to allow those LED lights that are mounted behind this to shine through it. So just looking over the rest of it here, might as well check out the running hardware. So it's a composite rudder and mount, and then it does have turn fins on it, so that's very cool, and even trim tabs. Those are molded and fixed, so you can't adjust those. But the strut looks pretty good. It's got a molded prop, drain plug, and a boot for the steering rod, so no water's got to get in. Now this is something I really like. They actually have a double canopy on it, or at least a protective hatch underneath this. So you got one spin clip on the back. You pop off the first hatch, and then it's got a secondary hatch to help keep all the water out. And this has 4 turn tabs on it, so it's really going to pinch it down. And we'll take this off, nice and easy to remove. And there are all the electronics. So it comes with a 3S battery pack, 1000 milliamp on that. And then it's got an Outrunner style motor. It's a 2600 kV, little protective shroud over the top of that. 9-gram steering servo. And there is your 2-in-1 ESC receiver combo in the front. Has XT60 plugs, so those are some nice high current plugs. And then as you can see, the motor is water cooled. Definitely like this setup. Flex shaft in there and everything for a small boat. That's a pretty good deal. Now we just need to see it run. Here we go, first run with the boat. Oh, this pool's gonna be big enough. I think it's just gonna be the right size, actually. This thing rips. All right, guys, so first up, out of the box, it needed a little bit of trim work, but now that I got it trimmed out, this thing is quick. Look at that, we got some red lights on the side. I got the bumper on the front of it, it's just so we don't have any problems bumping into the side of the pool. I think we need just a little bit bigger of a pool, actually, but man, this thing is fun. Doesn't have self-righting, but hey, we're in a pool. Well, let's just see. Oh no, it does self-right. It's got reverse too. There we go. Everything that everybody wants. It self-rights. We've got reverse. We got plenty of steering, plenty of power for the pool. Let's do some ovals. Handles well. Back and forth. Do a top speed run here. There we go. All right, so I figured out the lights on the boat. If you push this button, that alternates the colors that you could have. You got red, green, orange, even rainbow. But the other cool thing is when you're just going straight, it's one solid color. When you turn, whatever direction you're turning into, the light strip on that side lights up, so you know what direction you're turning. Probably pretty cool for a night. Hopefully I got a little bit of color changes in for you on the camera, but let's check this thing out some more. I'm just having a blast with it. It's got some rip for a 3S boat. Now this thing, 150 bucks. And like I said, 3S boat, brushless power, you got lights in it. That's a pretty good price for this. I think it's gonna be a blast for these small pools, small ponds. This thing is just neat. I'll have links for it in the video description below.